Hey guys, Nomus RC. I'm going to design and print something to hold these hex drivers when I work on stuff at home. So this is kind of what I've come up with. Save the STL file. And then we'll pop open our slicer program. And we'll drop it on over here. And then we're going to put it down on its back. Like that. Looks good. And then we'll go ahead and nest it. And it looks like it's going to be a 7.5 hour print. So we'll go ahead and get that going and see what it's like when it finishes up. Alright, it looks like it finished. Awesome. It's a pretty good sized print. Let's go ahead and pop it off of here. Nice. We'll go ahead and get this brim off of here, and then we'll set it up and see how it does. We got all of our hex drivers in here, the ones that can go into our drill, and the regular hand hex drivers, right? Got some extra drill bits, some other stuff in here, and then I did actually put a drawer down here. If you like it, go and grab it off my Thingiverse and give it a print. Throw your nameplate on, a couple of magnets on the sides so that you can kind of just hold stuff on the fly. You know, if you're using something, you don't always have to put it away right away. And it's all set.